And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an ellipse logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start under view. We want to have the smart guide and snap to point only activated. I use a black fill no stroke, and then I use the type tool, but I want to have a low caps. So PXP, for example, is a letter mark. The effect works well when you've got an X in the center. You can use any font you want. I use a standard font, Arcomin Vapor Concept, but I use a different style. Maybe something that's bold. I guess semi-bold would do. Now we want to check the distance between the letters, and we can do so over here. When we have it at 0, you can see the X line would cut into the P, so I'll increase it to 200. And now it fits well. Then right click, create outlines. I'll center it with the top menu. Now I want to create an ellipse. I'll give it a different color, a red color. And I use this draw function. Normally it's on the left hand side. I go to the center, which is draw behind. And I freeform draw this ellipse. And now it's behind the text. I'll change the drawing mode to normal again, so that I don't get confused later on. I use the selection tool, and then I resize the ellipse, just so that I like it, so there is no real rule here. Then I'll hold Alt and drag a copy out of it. I'll make it orange, so we've got two ellipses now. I'll select them both and center them. Now I use the arrow keys for the orange one, upwards, and I count how often I have to click. It was 15 times in this case. Now I select the red one and I go 15 times to the bottom. It's fine. The next step is to use the line segment tool to create the angle on the X letter. I'll simply go from the center anchor point to the one at the bottom. We can copy the angle right here, or we can simply use the direct selection tool, and the smart guides, they help us. So obviously you have to simply click first on the anchor point so that you only select the anchor point and not the line itself. And when you've got the perfect angle, the smart guides, they indicate that. We repeat the process on the left hand side. Once again, you can use the angle by left clicking and then adding it, or use the anchor points. I'll stick to the method that I've used at the bottom, so direct selection tool, click on the top anchor point and then drag it upwards and use the smart guide. Now we've got everything that we need, select it all, then activate the shape builder tool. We need the two colors, which is red and orange. So simply left click on the ones that I want to have red. And I want to get rid of the bottom part, so I hold Alt and left click again. Now I change it to the orange color. And I get rid of the top part and connect the bottom ones. I'll need to get rid of the lines. And I can change the color of the text to white. But keep in mind that it's now connected to the center shapes, as you can see here. So you need to go to Object and ungroup it. And now you can select them and give them the orange and the red color. And this I can recreate this ellipse logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.